Hey guys, good evening. A little bit sleepy. Yeah. This morning, Sherlyn and John they left at around 5:30. Actually, we left the house together, and I bring them to the waiting area, to the bus waiting area going to Newcastle Airport. And yesterday, when we arrived here, it was raining, but we still managed to go to the marina and to my workplace and to Salamander Shopping Center. We actually took a taxi, and they like the place, but yeah, because if you compare this place to Apollo Bay, maybe the traveling time is the same from Melbourne to Apollo Bay. Traveling time is the same, like one ride of train and one ride of bus. In here, the same, one ride of train and one ride of bus also. Yeah, the same traveling times, I think. But in Apollo Bay is a little, I think John said that the population is just around 1,000 people. Yeah, 1,000 residents. And here in Nelson Bay, this is actually almost a city. And this afternoon it was not raining, but it's cloudy. And I try my gimbal. I just took some videos in the marina using the gimbal, and I find it really difficult to hold the gimbal while I'm on my bike. It's delicate, it's dangerous for the walkers and for me also when I'm holding this and driving. Yeah, not good. It is very difficult to use this gimbal. This is very big for me while biking, while with my bike. It is also dangerous, delicate for other people. Yeah, for me also. Hey guys, good morning. It is now 3 minutes before 5 o'clock, and I will be leaving the house by 5:30. At the moment I'm just watching YouTube videos, and this with the Daniel Mars this time. And yeah, we are now trying this lavalier from this microphone from Boya. This is a lavalier microphone, microgravate, superb sound for presentation and video recording, BYM1. Yeah, so basically this one you can use it to your mobile phone, to your smartphone, to your computer, to your DSLR, and at the moment I am using it with my Canon M50. Yeah, and it comes with this very long cable. Look at this. This is the very long cable connected to me. Already I put here the lavalier. As you can see, this is the lavalier mic. Here it comes with a clip, and nice. It also comes with this adapter. Yeah, for you can use this for the professional audio things. I don't know, mate. So I don't know how to put this one. Yeah, we just put the camera somewhere here, and I am going down here just to see how is the audio capturing works. Look at this, I'm already far from here. So this is the farthest that I can go to with this long cable. I don't know how is this long. Yeah, but it's actually long. For sure that if I'm talking here normal without the cable, without the microphone, you will rarely hear my sound. Yeah. Okay, let's come back here. Okay, so that's the audio. I think the audio is the same. It doesn't matter if I'm here or there, as long as it is connected with wire with this microphone. Yeah, we'll see you later, mate. Hey guys, good afternoon. Yeah, I have this yeah, I bought it from Kmart. $10. Yeah, like a basket. Actually, this is a lunch bag. Yeah, I already have this one. This is the bike bag that was here a while ago. I removed it because very small and not fit on my camera with gimbal. With this one it's good, but I don't know how to properly attach. Yeah, and I have another one here. This one I bought it from Kmart. This is $5. This is basically for the kitchen or somewhere in the house. $5 from Kmart. Yeah, wire basket. And I'm planning to put it here. Like that. I still have access to the control here, and in here I already have this one. Yeah, so it will be like this. Looks good. I think I like this one already. Yeah, mate, I still didn't put the bike basket on my bike because yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how to put it nicely to be sturdy and strong, and you know, so because I'm going to put there my gimbal and my camera, so it must be very sturdy. Yeah, I have just the what do you zip tie. Yeah, I'm just at the moment I have just that zip tie, and my landlord told me that he's going to give me a hose pump. No, what's that? Hose clamp. Yeah, something like that. He said that he's going to give me. So tomorrow I will ask him. No, I will not ask, but I will wait for him to give me that hose clamp. For sure that is going to be a little stronger compared to the zip tie, because you know, if you check here in the internet, yeah, so basically this is a bicyclestore.com.au, and you're going to see the different basket for the bicycle, like this one, which is $54. This one is another 54. Yeah, for me those are expensive. Yeah, that is the reason why I bought another basket, those one that I've shown to you, because it's like a personalized basket that I like. Yeah, so tomorrow morning I will put it there. I hope it is going to be good. Yeah, mate, thank you for watching, guys. Ciao.